3 reasons why customers are not buying from your website. And I see those reasons all the time, repeating and repeating. Every time I start working with a new client and I look at their website, I'm kind of like, did you make your website to impress your competition? Because I don't understand half of the wording you have. So I'm going to use a solicitor as an example. I've worked with a solicitor for a few years. And then I looked at their website. I was so confused because it was all those high phrases of what is litigation, what is this, and half of the wording I wouldn't understand. And if somebody's looking for a solicitor, what they care is, are you going to help me with my problem? Because they do have a problem, right? They don't need to know the description of the processes, and it looked like I'm reading a Wikipedia page. So that is the first thing we fixed. We actually took a lot of stuff out and we changed it into content that was easy to understand to the 5th grader. Because one of the biggest mistakes a lot of marketers make, they think their customer has the same knowledge as they do. Remember, whatever you're selling, in whatever business you are, you have to assume that your customer doesn't understand anything. So you start with a very simple wording and you just clearly explain what you do. So that's reason number 1. Your website is too complicated and your customer just doesn't understand and they leave. Reason number 2 is your copy is not good enough. You are probably trying to sell too many technicalities, features of your product, instead of explaining why they should get it, how this product or service is going to help them, how the customer's life is going to improve, how they're not going to have those problems anymore if they buy a product. Because remember, if you're selling a service, they don't really need to know X, Y, and Z, how to get there. That's what they do when you have a conversation with them in the process of becoming a client. So remember, people buy with emotion and then they justify with logic. So start with a big emotional why, and I did a video on that before, I'm going to link in the end, and then go into a little bit of logical explanation. And reason number 3, you have too many options what to do next. You either have too many products on the same page, or you are either telling them you have to send me a message, give me a call, follow me on social media. No, one call to action. When you give people too many options, they get confused and they don't take any action. Hope that helps. Let me know what you think. If you're still watching this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'm new to YouTube, you're gonna help me a lot, and I'll see you again. Thanks, bye.